Okay, tip of the day for you guys. Garden hose. Don't throw it away. Look, I pop riveted that one onto the conduit. It's the trailer end, and that's that end. I had to splice it. So now it's protected from abrasion, and I didn't have to spend all that money on the abrasion, the stuff you buy for electrical conduit. I got something flexible, a garden hose. I spliced it there and cut it on a rotation as you cut around, and then it'll wrap better. Now let's show you another. So there's the garden hose. Let's show you another location where that would work. The hydraulics on this machine can rub against this metal right there. Let's see if I can change the exposure. Right here. So I don't want that. So I now have abrasion protection against my hydraulics right there. Sacrificial abrasion protection without having spent all that money. I get to observe the abrasions if it happens. I got to see if anything's internal in here. It might rub. Now they got a bushing in here, a rubber bushing, but they didn't rubber type bushing. But out here there's a sharp edge. Last thing you want is failure there. And then here it's clamped on. So this is in its own connections. So this is good. This is electrical. Sorry about the lighting. Let me see if I can change that again. So this is protected. Nope, that's electrical. There's hydraulics. So that's nice. It's a nice block, but not over here. There's one. There's one that we'll get some abrasion protection. It's not rubbing, but it's contact. So I'll put some garden hose over there. There's some bushing here. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, a little bit of rust. I'm going to have to detail that rust out and paint it. I'm trying to find some good galvanized paint. Yeah, I definitely need to detail that rust out. Let me put that out. So what I did here was, again, the wiring is in the garden hose. Then I switched over to metal conduit and ran it on the outside. So now the wiring is run on the outside instead of underneath the trailer. And then I come out over here. I just did a test of the lighting system. It's working, so I've got a handle from here to here with some same thing, garden hose. I'll just garden hose it from here to there. These lights I'll abandon. I'll abandon the clearance lights. That's just a reflector. But I'll abandon that. If you got them on there, you got to make them active. But if they're not on, you don't have to make them active. So they'll get abandoned. And just ran the wiring on the outside, conduit, and that takes care of that. Because if you have a trailer, you guys cut these lines frequently, or always need inspection and failure. Now I've got a chase to make it easy. Now this trailer is kind of cool. It tilts up. It's got a little crank winch. It's got strap downs here. This tilts up. This panel tilts up. It's got the hydraulic brakes on it, where when you put on brakes, it automatically surges, so you can hook it up to any ball hitch vehicle, as long as it takes the load. Okay, that's the tip that I'm offering. Garden hose. Don't throw them out anymore. Use them to protect your wiring. So this will all get little nips of garden hose wrapped on it here, just to protect it from breaking down, the sun breaking down, and just to protect it. Okay.